Hey guys, so opening the turn in here assignments, I'm hearing that you guys are getting like a blank screen, and it turns black. So, like, this is a seventh grade classroom, lesson five. If you go to a turn in here, any of these, go in here. Um, I'll get rid of the extra ones, but go into a turn in here, open that up, and you get just a black blank screen. It says open with Kami, so click that. And then it should bring up that assignment in Kami. And over here you have a bunch of tools that you can use. You can use a text box and you can type in your answers. You can draw, use shapes, you can erase. You don't need to use that. Markup, and stuff like that. So you can just write on here and type on here. This recognized text box that pops up, just click no thanks. Do your writing. Come up here to the little disk, then save for turn in. And then I would hit this save now and just make sure that it says all changes are saved. And then you can just click turn in. So this should just make it more universal for everybody and a little bit easier. Okay, and I'm gonna extend the deadline on lesson 5 and 6 and make them due next Monday, the 27th. So I'm gonna give you another week on these assignments, both seventh grade. Seventh grade has lesson 5 and 6 due next week, next Monday, the 27th. And then eighth grade, you have those last two. I can't remember what the numbers are. They may be 5 and 6 as well. Anyway, for both 7th and 8th grade, the assignments that were due on Monday the 20th are now due Monday the 27th. So this is just an automatic thing. Click the turn in and you're done. Do your work, all that kind of stuff. Okay, thank you.